Today we are looking at a SMC Berg model 1830. This unit has been completely rebuilt and brought through the shop. We're going to talk about the shipping dimensions of this unit right now. This unit is 96 inches in width. Note that you have this inlet spout here. All the way to the outermost point is 96 inches. The unit is 104 inches in height. That is sitting on the blocks to the top of the mixing drum, 104 inches. And the unit is 108 inches long from this point here to the farther edge of the mixing drum. This unit's shipping weight is 3,500 pounds. Moving right along in the video here, this unit has a usable capacity of 183 cubic feet or 147 bushels. As I said, this unit has been completely brought through the shop, completely rebuilt, sandblasted, painted, new seal installed. As you can see, the unit was cleaned inside and out. Brand new bearings on the unit. This unit has been upgraded with a brand new worldwide drive. This is a 7.5 horsepower single phase input. This unit could be swapped to 3-phase input at the expense of the buyer. Brand new gearbox, sprocket. Everything on this unit is in tip-top shape. There was no expense spared in the restoration of this unit. Brand new chain, as you can see here. Brand new bearing. This unit is in very, very good condition. This unit is ready to go to work. We're going to fire the unit up for you now. Here you can see we have the unit running. The unit starts strong, runs as it should. This unit has a usable capacity of about 3 tons. Of course, that does vary by your pounds per cubic foot. Again, this is a 183 cubic foot usable capacity mixer, so you can do the calculations on your pounds per cubic foot. We really like this worldwide drive upgrade on this unit. Really brings this unit into the next century. Very, very nice machine. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment needs, please reach out to us. We have the world's largest inventory of both new and used. Thank you so much for watching.